Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today we're firing up the Lone Star Grillz Offset. And we're going to do us a beautiful picanha, Texas style. That's right. You guys stay tuned. And of course, check it out. So here's what we got, guys. We got us a bona fide USDA prime picanha. Okay, and normally the way picanha is done, you know, sometimes they'll cut it horizontal with the grain, and then they'll put it on skewers and put it on open fire and cook it that way, kind of like on a rotisserie. But today we're going to do it a little bit different. Let me show you what we're going to do. Let me get it out of the package. And if you're curious to know where I got this picanha, I got it from Grand Western Steaks, and they don't promote me or anything like that, but you know, they do got good stuff. And I think they had when I bought this picanha, get all that blood out of here, they were running a special, and I don't remember what I paid, but it was a good price because I bought it. So and back then, and I'm not sure if they're still doing it or not, but they were doing, if you live in Florida, free delivery or free priority mail to Florida residents. So, you know, that was a pretty good deal. That was nice. So I got me a couple of pieces of picanha, and I got me some other stuff. You know, and it worked out pretty good because, you know, the prices were good. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna trim this up just a little bit, and it looks okay on this side. It don't look like it needs much more. But right here, we got this little flap of fat. We're just gonna cut that off right there and trim it up a little bit. Not that it needs it, but we're gonna look at the back side. In the back side, you know, if you look at it, there's not. It seems like it's been trimmed pretty good. You know, when you look at it right here, you know, there's maybe 1/4 of an inch here. It gets a little bit thicker over here on this end, but we want to leave this fat cap on because of what we're going to do. We're going to cut it, or not cut it, but we're going to score it long and make little cubes out of it. That way the seasoning can penetrate right into it. So over here on this side, it does got a little bit of brownish stuff. I may trim that stuff off. So here's what we're gonna do, guys. Get this bad boy flipped over. Already trimmed this little brown spot right here, and we're just gonna take our knife and kind of score into the fat until we hit into the meat. You don't want to cut all the way through, but just enough until you start seeing, you know, into the meat. You gotta make sure you got your nice little sharp knife. Nice. That's what we want. There we go. You see that? What we did right there? Just like that. And then we're gonna go the other way with it. Nice little small little cubes is what you want. About 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch in size. Alright. Oh man, that looks pretty. Don't that look good? Yes, sir. And what we're gonna do, I like using this Worcester sauce on beef. You know, it tends to go pretty good. Ooh, and it smells good. There's another reason. And get some on the back side. Oh yes, sir. Alright, that's good enough. Not a big piece of meat, but enough for dinner. And we're going to be using also 2 of our favorite seasonings that go with beef. We're going to be using the J.P.AP, and we're also going to be using the J.P. steak. 2 good seasonings to go with beef. Now, if you're interested in any of these products, little box pop up right there in the corner, take you straight to my website. You like what you see, get you some. Okay, so here we go. Get some on Just a nice little dose J.P.BBQ, salt, pepper, garlic. Get some on the fat cap. You want to make sure you get it all in between, you know, the grooves and stuff. Not the grooves, just the cuts. You know, maybe even breaking it open a little bit like that. There we go. It's gonna be good. The other seasoning we're using is the steak. Now the JP steak's got a little extra ingredient in it. You know, when you get you a bottle, one of these bottles, and you crack it open, you'll know what I'm talking about. There we go, looks good. And if you look at that little cow right there, that should tell you what that little extra seasoning is. Well, not seasoning, that extra ingredient. There we go. And this is gonna come out really good. Nice cut of meat. And we're gonna put this back in the fridge, let it rest a little bit. And we're gonna get that Lone Star grill, that monster of a smoker, fired up, guys. I'm gonna show you how we do it. So here's what we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using these little cubes, these bio cubes. We're gonna set them right there in the middle and get them lit up. And I'll be using the gas assist. Set the nice pieces of oak right here, like that. We got this other piece right there. And we're gonna fire up that gas assist and you guys will see what happens. Check it out. There we go. Now that's a beauty. This makes starting the Lone Star grill so much easier. You know, if you have one of these and you're gonna order you a Lone Star grill, you gotta get this gas assist. Oh man, and that feels good. All right, the other thing you wanna do is make sure you got the doors wide open to this bad boy while you got this thing running. And that's about it. This thing will get us some nice coals in here and we'll be able to get started in just a little bit. Fat side down, right on there. Get it tucked in there a little bit. There we go. Got a little bit charred over here on the end, but that's okay. That's the fat. Gotta give it that extra flavor. Get this bad boy back in there. Let it run for a couple minutes, maybe about 2 minutes, and then we'll take it out. So let's take a look at it. There we go. That fat in there is rendering really nice. We're gonna finish it up inside the smoker now. We're gonna probe it really quick and see what the temperature is. Right there. And we're about 75, 73 degrees. So we're gonna take it till it gets to about 130, 135. Hey guys, our picanha has hit 135. Actually, it's about 136 right now. Let's take it out so we can let it rest. Yes, sir. We got a little toasty. So we're gonna let it rest, and then we're gonna cut into it. Hey guys, let's go ahead and cut into this picanha. See how it looks. You gotta let this meat rest, guys. Here we go. Ooh, yes, sir. Looks nice. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, yes, sir, baby. Look at that. Just look at that beautiful cut right there. It's perfect. It's a perfect color on the inside. Perfect medium rare. So I'm gonna cut it into another piece right here. We're gonna give us a little taste test. Oh yeah, just look at that. Just a beautiful, oh my goodness. Just a beautiful color. So we'll get this right here. I'm gonna take me a piece right here. Give us a little taste test. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. That is perfectly delicious. It is good. It is good. And get me some of this little fat that's up on the top. Oh my God. I eat it just like this. Look at that. Oh, yeah, baby. That is good. That is really, really good. Let me cut these pieces into smaller little cubes, because I'm gonna make me a taco out of this. Earlier today, I made me some pico de gallo, and we're gonna have us some good, look at that, just that looks so good. We're gonna have us some good picanha done Texas style, Tex-Mex style, baby. Yes, sir. I'm gonna eat this. Oh yeah. Let's get this taco made up, guys. Got me a nice little corn tortilla right there. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some of these right there just like that. Oh my gosh, I know you guys can see that. That looks absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh, this pico de gallo smells so good. It's got onions, it's got a green jalapeno, red peppers, it's got cilantro. I mean, it is, and a dose of lime. Oh yeah, just look at that. You know, it don't get no better than that, guys. Here we go. Just look at that taco right there. I think I need some more meat right there. Look at that. There you go. Here we go, guys. That is some good stuff right there. It's a good way to start the weekend, fellas. That is really good, really good. Guys, if you haven't been to my webpage, do me a favor, go check it out. It'll pop up right there, jpbbq.com. It's where I sell all my rubs and sauces. Okay, it helps support this channel. The other thing, if you're interested in anything that I use, check out my Amazon store. There'll be a link down below in the description. You know, takes you to my Amazon store, and it'll show you all the things that I use. But besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys very much. I hope you guys like this video. Share it with your friends. But besides that, I will talk to you guys later. I see y'all, and I love y'all. Y'all take care.